Hello, everybody. Yes, I know. A long time since I have done a YouTube video, and I always promise I've got more coming. I promise I've got more coming. Um, Part of it is I'm just spending so much time helping customers that are members of our trading team, but I wanted to crank it up a little bit to provide some feedback for my trading team, our entire team of over 5,500 traders, as well as anybody potentially might be interested in learning the skill of trading or is trading and wants to learn more. Okay, so first things first, if you like this video, thumbs up, thumbs down. If you want to subscribe, Jeff Kasner below, blah, 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 blah. You know what to do. Okay. So what I wanted to do is part of an extra bonus that I give my trading team is that I call out trades in a Telegram chat. And before you ask, and before you send me 100 messages, you must be a member of our team through me to be able to get access to it. So that being said, I wanted to cover today's topic, which is mindset of getting out of a trade too early based on where you put your stop loss at. Okay, so I'm gonna do this so you can see the screen here. So this is an AUD, an odd CAD trade that I took that I'm still in a few days ago. Okay, early in the week. Today's Thursday. That might have been Monday. I've lost track. Okay, we're currently 119 pips up. We're probably almost 140, somewhere around there. Now, part of the problem that sometimes people have, and I did this when I first started trading, is you might have started with a $100 account, 250 something, and you get in profit, and okay, I got to get out. Okay, I'm in money, which is all well and good. Okay, but there are opportunities to ride the wave of a trend if you know what to do with your stop loss. Okay, now, for members of our team, as well as anybody, we have an exit manager that kind of manages trades for you so that you're not up all night saying, okay, I got to move my stop loss. It's further to profit. I got to move my stop loss. It's further to profit. And we also have trade assistants. Okay. So you have tools available to you, whether you're a member of the team or just seeing this on YouTube, to manage the trade so you're not always watching a chart. That's the beauty about trading. That's the beauty about automating some of it, is to manage a trade, make money while you're sleeping, okay? Which is what I've done the last couple nights for sure, okay? So this is the odd CAD, got in way back here. It's probably more farther to the left. And it obviously consolidated, and started to slowly go in profit, and slowly go in profit, and slowly go in profit. There's a couple areas that I guarantee you, if I took a poll on our team, that they got knocked out at, okay? And this is kind of where I want to talk about giving yourself enough space, okay? Because you can see where my stop loss is and where the trade is currently. The biggest mistake people make is, as I said a couple minutes ago, is they'll have the stop loss right up here, right? See this candle? You're taking out, right? Now, a couple things. One, it's very, very important that you're watching the news, all right? To see if any news events can swing it in your way or against you. So to have a tighter stop loss when you have banked a lot of profit, which I have in this particular trade, that's okay, right? Everybody has to come. What we teach in our team is you have to have a trading plan, all right? You're just not winging it. You're just not taking a trade. What is my plan if this trade continues to go in my direction, right? I don't want to be taken out too early, okay? So here are the couple things that probably cause people to get taken out early. Okay, this would probably be the first candle. Okay, so people probably got into profit, right? Because here's the buy line, all right? And this candle probably took out some people, guarantee it, all right? Well, now obviously I can't show you where my stop loss was, but it was down here. Because you have to give yourself enough space for, banks manipulate the markets, brokers sometimes manipulate the trades to get taken out. I guarantee you some people were in profit slightly. Okay, I don't know how many pips this is. And then got taken out right here. All right? Or they could have moved their stop loss right here. This line right somewhere around here. They're in profit. They made a few dollars. All right? So now when I'm updating the trade, hey, we're 40 pips or 50 pips or 60 pips. They're like, wait a minute. How? I could have gotten stopped out here. You might have. I didn't. Others didn't. And that's because you have to give it some breathing room. Okay? You have to have confidence in your ability that the trade and the analysis is going to go in the correct direction, but you have to give yourself enough space. So this is the first opportunity that maybe you got stopped out. I did not. The second opportunity is probably right here, okay? So, and again, I don't know how many pips this is. I'm not doing this on TradingView, obviously. So obviously this is in considerable profit, okay? And then it consolidated. So I guarantee you, if you're in on this trade, some of you got worried with this candle. Oh my God, it's going to be a big drop. Well, it's not a big drop unless there's some major news event that might have caused it to be a big drop. So my stop loss was probably right around here, right? So this candle specifically maybe took you out, or you had it up closer and you got knocked out here because you were satisfied with the trade, whatever number of pips and dollars that might have turned out. And that's all well and fine, okay? Trust me, when I was a new trader, I did it. I did it all the time. And I'm like, oh my God. And it just continues to go up or it continues to go down. Why did I get out of this trade? Okay? 100%. Trust me, I feel you. I've done it. But when you become a successful trader, and part of that process and growth is you got to give it room. I call it giving it room to breathe. All right? The next opportunity might have been this. Especially, now this is the 1 hour chart. Okay? And this is 4 hours of it dropping, of consolidation. Right? But if your stop loss is right about here, somewhere in here, you didn't get stopped at. Not at all. But some people probably, when they saw this candle and then the next one, they probably had the stop loss here. Okay, it's going to reverse, right? Because this is a consolidated area. Okay, I already made my money. I'm out of the trade. Now, I'll do this on another video. But when you're in profit, like up here, like here, how it's going up here, me personally, I take some partials. All right? I had somebody contact me today, and there is a video on YouTube, and I'll actually try to connect it to this video when I upload it, about taking partials. If you took partials, it doesn't matter what percent. This is all why you have to have a trading plan. Could be 20%, could be 35%, could be half your position. Then give it some room on the stop loss, because here's the next move up. So 4 hours down, and then a major strong move. 1, 2, 3, 4 hours of candles straight up. Okay, see the trend, continue to move up, but it's like a mountain. There's some bumpy parts. Okay, then you had this candle who was screaming up here, so that's really 5 hours. Came back down here. Now, if people maybe got their stop loss up here, then it consolidated for a few more hours, maybe right here, but probably not. My stop loss is right about here, I think, if I remember correctly. And then it consolidates, but it slowly keeps moving up, okay? Now, this is the last one that I bet some people got stopped out. See that red line? See that candle and the wick? Look at that. That's where I put my stop loss. Okay, so when it screamed up, came down, played around with it, some people probably put their stop loss right here. I guarantee you some people have their stop loss right here. They probably got knocked out. See how much space I gave it? This is already a monster trade. I can't tell you how much money I made because the agreement we have with the company is, you can't show, I made $6 million in this trade, okay? But I have the pip counter to show you. But as you can see, I've given it some room. So for here, I've got the last candle right here. That's kind of where I chose. Now, it could totally reverse and stop me out. Who cares? All right, I already made good profit. Who cares? But, right, see this? See where it goes up, down, consolidate, up, down, back up. If you have your stop loss, and it keeps going up, if you have your stop loss with enough space for it reverses for 4 or 5 hours, who cares? Now, let me be clear. If that's not your trading plan, perfect. If you're trying to make a few dollars and it hits a take profit goal, maybe your profit was right here, 89820 with my bad eyes. Okay, so be it. You made money, you move on to the next trade. But the mistake people make is it doesn't have to be about 10 trades, right? it could be a couple good trades. Now, for my trading team, I've called 2 trades. And actually, my intention was to call more. But I was pretty sure this was going to continue to trend up, and it did, and now it's a monster trade. Now, when I started this video, it was like 119, 120 pips. I think it was 140. Maybe some people aren't comfortable with this much space. I am, because I want it right here. Because if it moves back up, boom. If it doesn't, who cares, right? Money made, bag secured, okay? So, and in the future, right, and part of this is, let me get my face up here. Part of it is knowing how pairs move, right? Each pair moves a certain way. We always recommend, obviously, just focus on a few pairs. If you're trading 30 pairs, you should be trading 30 pairs. Focus on a couple pairs. We tell our members all the time, you don't need to be, trading 25 pairs, but get to know how certain pairs move, and you can have, you can modify your stop loss and give yourself enough breathing room, okay? See, some people just want to get too close and they just get stopped out when this is a longer term trade. This is a big trade. This is a big trade, right? People start panicking. Full disclosure, I did it. Okay, I did it all the time. I guarantee you my first year of trading was right up here. Oh man, I made big money, I'm out. Now I might lose some of the money here, but I'm comfortable with it because of these candles and where I started. Okay? Now, if you're a member of my team, you understand you have a couple things to manage the trade. You do not have to be up all night, okay, moving the stop loss, okay? Sometimes I'll use an exit manager. Sometimes I'll monitor it myself with a stop loss. That's the beauty of having a phone, okay? But remember, a lot of these trades can be long-term moves. They're not just a 1 to 2, a 1 to 3, but a 1 to 10. And I don't know what specifically risk to reward this one is, but it's obviously a big trade. So remember those couple things. The next trade you place, right, have a plan, whether it's a trade I give you or a pair that you like to trade, to give yourself enough space. Trust your analysis, trust what we teach you, and you can ride it all the way for days, right? And have monster trades. This week, I've had 3 trades, and we're going into Friday. Now, are there some weeks I have 8 or 9 or 10? Of course. This week, 3 trades. Gold, Bitcoin, AUD-CAD. That's it, okay? That's all I got for today. Hopefully you got some value. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give me a thumbs down. If you got questions, right below in this YouTube channel. If you're interested in taking a free trial to check out our team, reach me. Facebook links there, Jeff Casmer, easy to find. And have a blessed day. Take care, everybody.